In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Power BI report to a PDF. This is an invaluable skill for anyone who needs to share insights and data visualizations from Power BI with stakeholders who may not have access to the tool directly. Exporting your report to a PDF ensures that it maintains its format, allowing for easy reading and distribution. So, let's dive into this simple process. To get started, you'll first need to have your Power BI report open and ready. Once you're on the main dashboard, you will want to focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the File menu, which serves as the access point for various export options. A gentle click on File will unveil a drop-down menu that includes several choices. As you look through the options, the one we are interested in today is Export. This feature is incredibly handy as it gives you different formats in which you can save your report. So by moving your cursor down and clicking on Export, you're one step closer to making your report shareable in a PDF format. At this stage, the next logical choice is to proceed by selecting Export to PDF. This option is designed specifically for those who need a non-editable, easily distributable version of their report. Clicking on Export to PDF initiates the conversion process. It might take a few moments, depending on the size and complexity of your report, so be patient as Power BI does its thing. And there you have it. With these straightforward clicks, your Power BI report is now in a PDF format. It's all set to be emailed, printed, or simply saved for future reference. A couple of helpful tips before we finish. Ensure that your report is completely updated before exporting. This means all the data visualizations and insights should be as current as possible because what you see on your screen is precisely what will appear in the PDF. Also, make sure to save your work in Power BI regularly to avoid any last-minute data loss before you export. By exporting to PDF, you keep your data secure as it's not prone to unintended edits like it might be in a spreadsheet format. It's an excellent way to officially present your insights in meetings or reports, or even to archive them for future usage. This exporting feature really simplifies the sharing process and saves you time while preserving the professional quality of your work. So, go ahead and try it out the next time you need to share your Power BI reports. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.